Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 106. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. The brief facts of this case are that the petitioner took a loan from the respondent Bank of Baroda to the tune of rupees 1 crore, which was enhanced to rupees 2.65 crore. Since there was default in repayment of the same, the respondent bank filed an application before the Debt Recovery Tribunal, Allahabad, hereinafter referred to as the DRT, for recovery of over rupees 4 crore. The petitioner submitted its reply and had also taken time to settle the due through the one-time settlement scheme. However, the matter could not get resolved. The petitioner then filed an application praying that the original application, having been filed without approaching the High Power Committee and without serving notice under Section 117 of the UP Cooperative Societies Act 1965, would be liable to be dismissed. In the said application, further plea was taken that the original application filed by the respondent bank suffers from the defect of misjoinder of necessaries party and non-joinder of the receiver appointed by the Bombay High Court. Such application of the petitioner was dismissed by the DRT. Challenging the said order, the petitioner filed an appeal before the Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal, Allahabad, hereinafter referred to as the DRAT, which was also dismissed vide its details order dated 27/10/2008. Challenging the said orders, this writ petition has been filed. The submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner is that prior to the filing of the suit against the petitioner or its officers, notice in writing to the registrar of the cooperative society ought to have been given, in which has not been done. Hence, the original application filed by the respondent bank was not maintainable. His other submission is that prior to entering into the controversy with regard to the liability of payment, the matter should have been referred to the High Power Committee for resolving the dispute which was between the petitioner, which is a cooperative society of the state government, and the bank, which is also an instrumentality of the state. It was then argued that several parties had been joined who were not necessary, and the receiver appointed by the Bombay High Court, who was a necessary party, has not been joined, and as such the original application ought to have been dismissed by the DRT on the ground of misjoinder of parties and the non-joinder of necessary party. In the present case, there is no such procedural defect which require to be cured. The petitioner admits having taken loan and claims that the same could not be repaid because of financial loss. The tribunal is obliged under law to issue recovery for the amount which is admitted by the party. Since the petitioner admits its liability, it was the duty of the tribunal to have issued the recovery certificate against the petitioner immediately after the liability had been accepted by the petitioner. Such is a mandate of law, and the tribunal ought to have followed the same. Technicalities of procedure thus should not be allowed to defeat the cause of justice. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.